Are you excited to continue on to see about how much risk, I should say, you have in stocks and make choices around what you find out? That's what we'll be doing in this video. We're doing the next field 2, on the challenge to see how you can gain control of your risk, your stock market risk, and how you can make choices around that once you have that information from a place of knowledge and empowerment, which feels so peaceful instead of fear, right? Hi, I'm Camille Gaines, and I share here information about investing for almost 40 years. I write about it on my blog, retirecertain.com, where I also write about creating slightly alternative income streams over the past 15 years. And I'm super excited about the challenge we're doing right now. Now, last month's challenge was a big hit, so thank you for the good emails and comments on that. And this month, we're going to do another challenge that will help you see where you are as far as your risk in stocks. I won't spend a lot of time on that because I explained in detail why this is so important in the very first video in this challenge series. So be sure to take a look at that. And in this video, what we'll do is look at field 2, which is total in stock investments. Last time you calculated your net worth. I gave you some details on how to do that. That can be a little confusing, I know, sometimes. Not sure what to put and not put. And this today, in this one, we're going to put in the total you have in stock investments. From that, we'll figure out about how much your risk is based on historical facts and logic and math, right? Because that, when we invest from historical logic, data, and math, we're investing logically, not emotionally. We're making decisions from a place of empowerment when things are calm and we have sort of a handle on what's going on. So in this particular step, what I want you to do is add everything that you have in the stock market. Now, if you have a couple of different accounts, like most people do now, a lot of people have an IRA, maybe 2 IRAs, maybe a Roth and a regular IRA. If you're married and you're older, like we are, you may have a regular Roth, a regular IRA, or a Roth IRA, a regular IRA, and your spouse may have the same. You may have a 401k, you may have, any variety of accounts set up that are invested in stocks. You may have funds, mutual funds. You may have funds that are managed by a wealth manager. So all you want to do is add up how much money you have in stocks. You may have stocks in the company you work for, or a large position. You want to include that. So the total amount that you have in stocks, gather all that and write it down. This is, doesn't have to be exact. We're going for best guesstimates because that's all we can really do. We don't know what's going to happen in the future, but we can estimate what will happen based on history. And the only way we can do that is if we, gather some information about where we are now. Get as close as you can, but don't not do it because it's $100 off, right? The main thing is to total up how much exposure you have to the stock market right now. And you can do this at any given time. That's the great thing about this. You can do it now. You can come back to this video series in a year, 2 years, and do it again, because it's the stock market and your risk in your investments. It's ever changing. It's ever changing. And our job as investors is to know where we are, know what our risk is, and make choices around those places where we are, right? So grab the handout if you don't have it, retirecertain.com/choice, because you do always have a choice about your investments as well as pretty much everything else in life, even though it doesn't feel like it. Let me know if you like this and you're excited about the challenge by clicking the thumbs up below the video And then be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the other videos in the rest of this challenge series. Thanks for watching.